If the microwave in your oven-microwave combo turns on by itself, here are the two most probable causes. It's likely one of the circuits on the main control board has shorted. You can inspect the board for signs of burning or damage to confirm before replacing the board with a new one. It's also possible that touchpad button circuits are coming into contact with each other intermittently, which could cause the microwave to turn on by itself. If this happens, the touchpad or the touchpad and control panel will need to be replaced. Be aware that the high voltage and current used by microwave ovens can cause injury or death if the unit is being disassembled. You should always unplug the appliance before attempting any repairs, but since the high voltage capacitor may retain a charge even after the oven has been unplugged, we recommend that only experienced professionals test and replace internal components. Microwave main control boards and touchpad and control panels are available on our website. Be sure to enter the full model number of your appliance to find the specific replacement part that will fix your oven-microwave combo.